Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox and give you some first impressions of the Xiaomi Mi in-ear headphones. This is the basic model. I did make a purchase on the Xiaomi website a while ago, and these were included as a free gift, but as usual, if you want to buy them separately, you can do so. They're about £9.99, that's less than $15 US. It's a simple package, cardboard, with a little pull tab to get the cardboard open. But that's obviously the wrong side. Here we go. Not very clean cut, but you can just pull to open it up. Simple packaging. And let's see what's on the inside. Once the box is open, on the inside you have a little plastic bag, and within the plastic bag you get the earphones, which are wrapped again in a little bit more plastic. Let me see if I can pull this open. There we go. And we can start straight from the get-go see that this is a courageous headphone. It is a 3.5mm audio jack. Goes into a Courage port, which sadly most smartphones nowadays don't have. You also have some nice feels like metal casing earphones with silicone earplugs, and inline on one of the earphones you have answer call button and microphone, and then they join together to then go into the Courage port. So 2 earphones left and right, plus your other end is the port, the jack itself. So this is great, but as I said, most smartphones nowadays do not have a Courage port, so you'll probably need one of these. This is a USB Type-C to headphone adapter. This is the one that came bundled with my Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 3. So this is the one that comes bundled with that device. Some devices do nowadays, but you might have to purchase one of these on Amazon. We've already reviewed a few on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, but if you need to know more, leave us a comment in the section below and I'll do my best to get back to you. So what I'm going to do now is plug these into my Chromebook, which does still have a Courage port, I believe. Let me double check. It doesn't, but I'm going to use the adapter, plug this in, and then go to the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. And yes, I can hear audio coming out of the earphones. First impressions are pretty positive, but I'll need to put these through a proper test, and that's why I'm going to wrap up this video now. And what I'll do is do a separate review of these earphones. I think that first impressions are quite positive. I'll need to test it with my usual music soundtrack and playlist, as well as different devices, to see how I get on. But for now, this was just a quick unboxing and first impressions. For the price, decent set of earphones. It's just a shame that it doesn't come with an adapter in the box. Little note, there is an extra set of silicone ear adapters. I'm assuming they come with medium on the device to start off, but you do have large and small in a little bag in the box. And as I said, I'll be putting these through their paces and doing a full review in the coming days. If you want to see that review, if you want to see more of the content we do here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, make sure you're subscribed. And if, as I said earlier, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.